In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add flip animation in Wix Studio. This is a quick and effective way to enhance your website with dynamic visual elements, making it more engaging for visitors. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to navigate to Wix Studio. It's the web platform specifically built for agencies and enterprises, offering extensive tools for web design and management. So, open your preferred browser and head over to the Wix Studio website. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the site. If you haven't already created an account, you'll want to do that first, but assuming you have one, go ahead and click on Login. To make the logging in process quicker and easier, you can opt for the Continue with Google option. This allows you to use your Google credentials to access Wix Studio, streamlining your process and saving you from remembering another set of usernames and passwords. Click on Continue with Google and follow the prompts to complete the login. After you've successfully logged in, you're ready to select the element on your website to which you'd like to add a flip animation. You're now in the editing phase, which allows you to customize your website's content. Click on the specific element you want to animate, and you'll notice an animation icon appear. This icon is your gateway to bringing elements to life with dynamic movements. Click on the animation icon, and you'll see a menu open up. Here, you'll focus on the entrance animations. Entrance animations are a powerful way to capture attention as they occur when the element first appears on the screen. Select this option to begin integrating a flip animation with your chosen element. Next, click on Add. This action will prepare your element to receive an entrance animation, giving you the chance to pick from a selection of styles. Look for the flip animation option within the entrance animations. It will add a smooth flipping motion to the appearance of your element once you initiate it. Once you've chosen the flip animation, it's time to see it in action. Click on Preview to watch the animation play out. The preview will help you understand how this animation integrates with the rest of your web page, ensuring that it harmonizes well with other design elements and doesn't disrupt the viewer's experience. And there you have it, a freshly animated element on your Wix Studio website. This simple process can add a visually appealing dynamic to your page that keeps visitors engaged and enhances the overall aesthetic of your site. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other Wix Studio features to continue crafting a remarkable online presence.